I'm not no makeup artist, you guys. I just wanted to try out these new lashes that everybody's been using, the magnetic liner, glue strip, whatever. So this is the look I got. I'm pretty satisfied with it, but it was very interesting to say the least on how I was able to apply these things. So stick around, watch the full video. It shouldn't take too long, and you let me know if you're gonna give it a shot, if you've already tried these out, and if you can give me any tips and pointers along the way, because this was kind of interesting. So you guys know, like if you follow me on Instagram, I've been talking about how I feel so fabulous now that I have my long nails back. You know, if you followed me for a while, or if you're one of my nail clients, you know I always rock long nails. But I don't know, I've been in like a weird funk for a while that I was rocking these short nails, and I just was not myself. So, you know, these long nails are making me feel fabulous. They're making me feel like a badass. They're making me feel like myself again. And it's making me want to do my lashes. Those of you that know me, you know I usually would wear like mink style individual lashes. I had like a traumatic experience. It's definitely not, you know, anybody's fault what happened. I would still recommend the tech that used to do my lashes to anybody who asked about her. It was just like a weird freak accident, and as much as I see so many beautiful lashes, so much beautiful work that she puts out, and other amazing techs that I know put out, it's so tempting, but I just cannot go through the pain that I went through. I've been grabbing like little strips here and there. Some look great, some not the best. So I've been very curious about these magnetic lashes that are out now. I went to Target and I looked, and this was literally the only thing. They had, like this was the only kit, I'll say, because they had other eyeliner, glue, magnetic stuff or whatever, like single. And then they also had like some strips by themselves, not very many. But literally this was the only one left. It was not on sale, it was like regular pricing. So it's not like it was like huge sale that everybody grabbed a bunch. I guess it's just like really popular right now. I wanted to try it, and I'm putting out this disclaimer. I am not a makeup artist, I do nails. I am not a professional at putting on lashes, so I thought this would be pretty entertaining to watch me try to put these things on, and to actually see like if it's good quality, if it can work for me for like, you know, day-to-day or just special events or whatever. I'll make sure to link like where you guys can get these from, and you know, the brand and all of that jazz. And yeah, so let's get started. I grabbed a mirror because like that was gonna be like ridiculous to like try to look at the camera and look at myself or whatever the hell I thought I was gonna be doing. I'm getting the magnetic lash eyeliner. All right, and they say to like shake it up really good before you use it. All right, so this felt tip is so dope. I'm so excited that it's felt, because again, I'm not no bomb makeup artist or nothing. I'm not a makeup artist at all, but I do know how to use a striping brush because I'm a nail artist. All right, so here we go. All right, for my first little whatever, not too bad, eh? All right, let's see if I can like duplicate it. All right. I don't think they match. I mean, it's not too bad. I think I like this one better. Girl, I really look cute. I haven't worn makeup in forever, and I'm already feeling myself with the liner. All right, so it's just to like let this dry some, and then like put on like 2 more layers of it, I think. Yeah, it says apply 3 layers of the magnetic lash eyeliner to lash line, waiting for each layer to dry in between applications. All right, so we're gonna let this dry, okay, honey? How do you know when it's dry? Like, I guess when it's not like wet looking. Here goes layer 2. I wonder how much this little bottle would last. Like for how long. Start making it thicker. It is what it is, right? Alright, here we go. Second layer. All right, that's my second layer. Doesn't look too bad. All right, still gotta do one more layer according to directions. We're gonna let it dry in between each layer. So this is me drying. Y'all, I really need to invest in one of those little fans or something. I think that's pretty dry. So here goes the last layer. I'm literally like freaking tightening it every damn time. So BT Dub, my little tip, my amateur tip, when using these felt tip liners, I don't try to just draw with the tip of the liner. I actually lay down the actual whole felt tip down. So that's gonna create the line right there. And then I just keep on going with it. I'm kind of at this point just coloring in what I've already done. Doing layer 3. Gosh, this layer, honestly, I wouldn't say it's not going as smooth, but kinda, because it's like I feel like the other layers underneath are a little stickier, if that makes sense. Maybe because it's not completely dry. Let me try to make sure this one's all the way dry. I don't want to mess this up, y'all. Yo, can I mention that like all of the dogs are here, all the kids are here, and it's so quiet. I asked the boys to go to the room to watch their YouTube stuff. Everybody's finished their homework, they've had snacks. Just wanted to talk about that and take note and take advantage of the silence. All right, that should be good. All right, I got 3 layers on both eyes now. But, you know, we gotta make sure this is all the way dry because I highly doubt that the magnetic glue, whatever liner stuff is gonna work if it's not all the way dry. Like, all right, so I'm gonna let this dry for a little while and then we will apply the faux mink accent. And I think it's accent because it's not even a full strip. But literally, y'all, this is the only thing they had. And I guess it's like good for me to like try it out. I don't really like crazy long lashes. Naturally, my lashes are short. Everybody's like, you have a lot of lashes. I have a lot, but each little strand is like really short. And these are not, like, I don't believe that is a full lash. It's just an accent. So, you know, it's gonna be probably starting from here to there. I don't have like huge eyes, so all right, I should probably have some sort of like I do have, be right. I forgot I had these to go in between brow appointments. All right, so I think I even saw some of these that have a magnetic grip at the store, so that's pretty cool, but I didn't want to go all in and get all the things if I wasn't sure if I was going to use these things again. This is so weird. Oh my gosh. It has like, oh my God. Dude. All right, first of all, you see there's like actual, I hope you guys can see this pretty good. There's actual like magnetic pieces, dude. But like it's literally sticking to it because it's freaking magnetic. This is wild, this trippy, it's freaking science. Cool. So it's like almost dummy proof at this point, you know what I'm saying? Just like place it on if it's done right. So it's interesting because when I talked about this on my story the other day, there were some girls saying that they have friends that tried the magnetic strips and their friends, everybody that tried it hated it. So we'll see how I feel. So again, it's like sticking to the, what the hell are these called? This thing. Oh my God. Dude, it's like literally sticking to my eyeball. OM freaking G. Dude. Oh my God. I had to kind of take off the little tool because it's like so magnetic that it was sticking to the tool itself. This is wild. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? I don't even know if I set it on the liner right. And oh My God, this is like, wait, let me just do the other eye. Literally, guys, okay, check this out. Well, see if you can see. On my hand, okay? I'm just gonna place the tool by it. I still can't think what the hell this is called. Place the tool by it and it's gonna just magnetic to it. You saw that? Let's do that again. Let's do that again. Let's see. Let's see. So this junk is like legitimately magnetic, okay? Let me just do it with my fingernails. And yeah, I might be a fan, y'all. So question for strippies, for strip lovers. Ooh, ow, what's that? Trauma. For those of you that love strips, okay, do you guys put, oh my God. Screenshot that, honey. So do you guys that use strip lashes, do y'all use mascara with yours? Because I bought like a $1 mascara from the store too. What do you guys think? How do they look? This literally might be like my new thing. I might need to like, y'all, I can't stop looking at myself. Look at this shit. And it comes off super easy. And can I just put it right back where I had it? Or how does that work? So that might be the little part. Because as I took it took off some of the liner. So I don't know if it's because it wasn't completely dry or because my lid was still probably a little oily. I mean, we're being real here, right? I did not wipe off my lid. So, I mean, I probably should have, but, you know, I just wanted to try it out. So, sue me, you know?